Holiday Setup and Best Practices, a Timeco admin training provided by Resourcing Edge. When setting up holidays within Timeco, it's important to know that payment is based on the pay rule assigned to the employee, as well as the eligibility date. These items are managed within the employee's profile inside of maintenance. Before we get into the actual steps of how to set up holidays, let's talk about some best practices. Prior to posting a holiday, it is highly recommended that you ensure all time cards are unapproved, as holidays will not post to already approved time cards. To do this quickly, click on the time card menu up at the top of the screen, then click Approvals. Click the Funnel or Filter tab. Select the action type of Unapproved Time Card. Then click Search. If any time cards are approved, they will show up here in a list format, where you can quickly select all of them at once by clicking on the words Select All, and then click Unapprove. Another best practice is to be sure not to post a holiday too far in advance. Post it the week or the pay period of the holiday. This is to ensure that all currently active employees are populated with holiday pay appropriately. For example, if you post the Christmas holiday on 12/1, 25 days before the holiday, any currently active eligible employees in the system will receive holiday pay. If you have any new hires or terminations, though, between 12/1 and 12/25, then it is possible they will not be paid appropriately. Now, let's get into the actual steps of setting up a holiday. First, navigate to Maintenance at the top of the screen, then click on Holidays, and click on Add New Holiday in the top right portion of the screen. Give your holiday a name, for example, Memorial Day or Thanksgiving, and select the date from the Date Picker field as seen in the screenshot. Next, define which groups of employees receive holiday pay and how many hours they will receive. Once you're finished, click Save, and this will save the holiday for future posting. In the example in the following screenshot, there are 3 options for setup. The first option, the Apply checkbox is checked with 8 hours next to the salary pay rule. This will post 8 hours to all employees in the salary pay rule. Second option, the Apply checkbox is not checked, so Salary 1 and Guaranteed payrolls. Employees in these groups will not receive any holiday pay. The third scenario is where the Apply checkbox is checked but has 0 hours populated next to the semi-test payroll. If you have a rule where employees receive holiday pay proportionate to the worked hours on this day, you will place a 0 here. For example, Joe Smith works 7.5 hours on 12/25. He would get 7.5 hours of holiday pay. Once your holiday is set up and ready to go, click the Post button and wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the holiday to fully post within the system. There are also other options you can take on this screen. So for example, if you need to delete the holiday, you can click the red X. If you need to review or make any changes on the setup of a holiday, click the pencil icon to edit it. And if you want to copy the holiday setup settings to use for other holidays, click the Copy button. Lastly, it's important to note that after posting a holiday, do not delete the holiday rule. This does not remove the holiday pay from employee time cards. If you need to actually remove the holiday from all employee time cards, ensure that you click Unpost first. Post will then turn into the word Unpost. Then you are safe to delete the holiday if desired.